Have you ever looked at those girls online? Everything flawless, their routines, their skincare, their relationship, their life in general, and think, oh, I want to be her. I want that. Hi Glam Fam, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Whether you're a new or old subscriber, welcome. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you aren't already subscribed to this channel, as I'll be dropping tips on makeup, tutorials, and beauty hacks, and I'm sure you do not want to miss any of this. So let's get into this video. You know her, the one who walks in like she owns the room. That girl. Everyone wants to be her, but no one actually talks about what it really takes to be her. So let's talk about it. You know what people get wrong about becoming that girl? It's not the outfit. It's not the lashes. It's not the 5 a.m. routine. It's an energy. It's waking up and choosing you before anyone else does. It's showing up for your goals, even when you're tired. It's wearing that red lipstick, even when they say, oh, it's too much. It means doing things not to impress, but to express yourself. It means being soft, but being strong. It means being unbothered, but being intentional about yourself, about your goals, about your peace, about your happiness. It gives luxury, even when you're still building. Becoming that girl starts the moment you stop waiting for permission to become her. I used to think that girl was about aesthetics, about waking up early, drinking coffee, skin like glass, having lunch in the pool, all those things we find on the gram. Always looking put together, all of that. But the truth is, becoming that girl has nothing to do with what it looks like on the outside. It's about your mindset. It's about energy. It's about boundaries. And honestly, it's actually messy. Let me explain. There was a version of me that didn't know how to say no. Didn't prioritize herself. She'd pour into everyone and leave herself dry. That version of me was surviving, but she wasn't living. So I started small. I didn't suddenly wake up at 5 a.m. with a green juice, a perfect skincare routine. I started changing my thought process because that's where it all begins. That's where it starts from. That's where the change happens. Instead of saying, oh, I'm not doing enough, I'm putting myself down, I said to myself, what I'm doing is enough today. Instead of saying, oh, I'm behind, I look at people and I see they've achieved so much and I haven't achieved half of what they have. I said to myself, I am on my own timing. We are not the same. Instead of shrinking myself, and locking myself up, I started expanding. I started taking up space on purpose. I started putting myself out there. And you know what? Becoming that girl doesn't always feel pretty. It means crying yourself to sleep. It means, crying yourself while doing your makeup because you're still healing. It means setting boundaries and losing people who only liked a version of you they could use. It means sitting with yourself on the days when you don't feel like anything is working, but you show up anyway. Those days when you feel depressed, you feel so down, but you get up, you put in the work, you go out, you shake it off like a big girl that you are. That girl is you. It's not a trend. It's not a look. It's a decision. A decision to stop playing small. A decision to stop limiting yourself. To be soft, but not to be silent. To take charge. To be beautiful and still be ambitious. To want more and actually go get it because you can and you will. I became that girl when I started showing up for myself. When I started doing the things that I do for other people, I started doing it for myself. I started showing up for myself with the same energy I gave everyone else. When I realized that self-love isn't a bubble bath and a face mask. It is discipline. It's not skipping the mirror when you feel off, when you feel ugly, when you feel down, you look away. No. It's looking closer, looking at your inner self and saying, yeah, you're still her. Looking within yourself and encouraging yourself and picking up yourself. Giving yourself the affirmations that it deserves, that it needs. It's not about being perfect. It's about being present. Presence in your body, in your truth, in your worth. There were days I wanted to give up. Days I questioned if I was doing enough. If I was enough. And you know what kept me going? Knowing that the woman I'm becoming will thank me for not giving up on her. So I'm here. Still growing. Still healing. Still becoming. And if you're listening to this right now, while you're doing your makeup, maybe you're driving, maybe you're cooking, maybe you're doing something, maybe you just want to feel something, maybe you're even lost. I want to remind you, you don't need permission to start over. You don't need to wait till you have it all figured out. You don't need to wait till you have it all put together. You can choose to become her right now. How do you choose to become her? By choosing joy. By choosing peace. By choosing you every single day. By silencing the voice in your head. By moving away from all the drama, all the chaos happening in your head. By choosing you over and over and over again. This is your call to romanticize your life. To walk in your softness like it's your strength, because it actually is your strength. To wear that bold lipstick. To wear that glitter eyeshadow. To stop hiding. To wear your confidence like a pride. To shine your light so bright that everyone will not be able to dismiss it. You see that girl? She's already in you. Now is the time to let her lead. Now is the time to let her shine. Let people see her. Let you see her. Let you experience her. Let you feel her. Let her lead. Thank you for watching this video to this point. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I hope you enjoyed this look. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. You can also let me know what look you would like me to create in the comment section, and I'll be more than happy to create it. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye. I love you. Mwah.